Whatever you're doing right now, put everything down, because you've just stumbled upon something that 99.9% of people will never know exists. This isn't just another make money online gimmick. This is something so powerful, so stupidly simple, that it almost feels unfair. What I'm about to reveal is a hidden cash loophole that's been sitting right in front of your eyes, and once you see it, you'll never look at Instagram the same way again. Most people will never discover this, but you're here right now, and if you pay attention for just a few minutes, you'll see how this little-known secret could start putting money in your pocket as soon as tonight. In fact, what I'm about to reveal is the biggest online loophole we've ever discovered, one that's letting complete newbies pocket $69 over and over again just by uploading short clips to Instagram. Yes, $69 per upload, and not just once. We're talking about hundreds per day, over and over again, passively. That means if you upload just 10 clips, you're already making $690 per day. If you upload 20 clips, that's $1,380 per day. And if you follow exactly what we teach inside AI Money Printer, you could be generating over $784.29 per day, just like us. And the best part? You don't need to record a single video yourself. You don't need to show your face. You don't need any tech skills. And you don't need a single penny to start. There are no additional expenses. Everything you need is included. This is the fastest way to make money online, period. And it's all thanks to a brand new plug-and-play system that regenerates our income without fail, day after day. This is AI Money Printer, the ultimate done-for-you profit system that makes us money in just 2 clicks. It's like having a virtual online cash machine, a broken ATM that spits out $100 bills over and over again. And here's the kicker. We'll even give you the exact clips to upload. It really is just 2 clicks and profit. It's so easy that even my 95-year-old grandmother does this, and she doesn't even know how to use Instagram properly. If she can do it, you can too. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was just like you, frustrated, stuck, watching others online making money effortlessly while I struggled to get by. Bills piling up. The feeling of always being behind, no matter how hard I worked. I felt like I was missing out on some hidden secret that everyone else seemed to know. Then one night, something happened that changed everything. I was sitting on my couch, scrolling through Instagram, when I stumbled upon a short clip of Andrew Tate saying something motivational, then another clip of Jake Paul hyping up his latest business move, then Grant Cardone dropping a powerful lesson on wealth, and I realized these videos were getting millions of views. The people uploading them, they weren't famous. They weren't influencers. They weren't professional editors. They were random people just like you and me. But then it hit me, they were getting paid for it. I thought to myself, what if I could do the same thing? So I started investigating, digging deeper, testing, tweaking. At first, nothing. I uploaded a few videos and got barely any traction. But then I cracked the code. A specific type of video, a simple twist that made all the difference. Within 24 hours, I made my first $69. Within a week, over $784.29 per day, completely passively. And the best part? This loophole was wide open, but almost nobody knew about it. But I needed to be sure. I had to test it on real people, people with zero experience, people working regular jobs, people who never thought they could make money online. So I handed this system to a truck driver from Ohio, a single mom from Florida, and a retired school teacher from Texas. The results? Insane. The truck driver made $346 on his first day and quit his job within a month. The single mom pulled in $1,200 her first week, finally catching up on her bills. The retired school teacher, who had never touched Instagram before, made $5,600 in her first 30 days. And these were just a few examples. I kept refining the system, testing different variations, and after months of perfecting it, I finally cracked the code, and today, I'm handing you the exact plug-and-play system that makes this work like clockwork. And here's the best part. This isn't just happening in one place. There are people all over the world using AI money